Hey, what's up guys? I'm Joe. Thanks for checking out the channel. We got this awesome project we've been working on, so let's go check it out. Okay, so we got a fence replacement that I'll show you what we got going on. They've got some existing 6-foot wood privacy that is at the end of its life and gonna get replaced here. So we're replacing this gate and this side over here. But a couple of unique factors here is, one, they wanted some additional privacy for this back area. You can see the fence is down where the post. This is just a normal 6 foot across here. They also have this awesome sunroom that's a great space for them, but they want some privacy from the neighbors to the sides and back behind them, but two, they want something a little bit more unique and ornate than just a regular 8 foot tall privacy fence. So what we're gonna do here is, it's gonna be 6 foot up here. You can see we roughly mapped out, this is gonna transition from 6 foot tall up to about 7 feet tall here. And then this is actually gonna have a lattice piece across. And then we were just mapping out with that lattice to keep everything nice. We're gonna keep it level across the top so it actually drops. So that's why we're starting at 7 here, and then we're accounting for the roughly 1 foot drop here to where at this corner that lattice is going to be 8 foot tall, and then we'll carry that 8 foot tall with lattice across the back. And then similar over here, we will be 8 foot tall lattice coming these first couple sections to get us past the house. And then similar where these marks are, will be about 7 feet tall here, transition down to 6 and go up to 6 to finish off. So, but yeah, so just showing kind of some of the planning. This is a little bit more unique in our planning because we want to keep it as straight and level as possible. And we've got a few different height changes and elevation changes. So we're trying to plan that into, one, our post layout and what we're doing here on site, but then two, to make sure that we've got all the correct material, all the right lengths of pickets and boards to be able to pull all this off. Stay tuned and see what it turns out after we get these posts set and get these pickets and lattice up and get it all put together. Hey, what's up guys? We're back on this job where we were Monday, where we showed that we were tearing out some old privacy fence and then wanting to give them some privacy and a little up facelift or fix back here. So I was gonna show you what we did and walk you through that. So coming through the gate, and actually I back up. So we did upgrade from the dog ear to a cedar cap and trim. So this is a cedar picket, but then also a cedar cap and trim. So you have the option of doing cedar or pine pickets and then pine or cedar cap and trim. You can see what we transitioned up here. It was a little less of a transition here from the 6 to 7-ish, and then we kept it straight all along the back. But then you can see this lattice design that we did. So we had this cedar square lattice built specifically for this, and did a privacy portion. And we also did another bottom trim just to kind of give some symmetry and dress it up a little bit. But you can see how this worked out with both the privacy aspect of the typical privacy fence plus the lattice. It really, I mean, before you could, this patio specifically, this neighbor back here, I mean, you could see straight over the fence right into their back windows, back patio. And now all that's broken up and you got great privacy back here, and they'll be able to sit in their sunroom, enjoy this space, this landscaping, and not be staring directly at people behind them, and then also not having people staring in here to them. So something that's functional with the privacy, but also just gives a nice look and dresses up things back here with the cedar and the lattice. So yeah, thanks for checking that out, getting to see a little before and after and what it went into the design and process of this cedar privacy fence, and then specifically with the lattice. So hope that was helpful. Make sure and like this video, that helps us out a ton, and subscribe to the channel for more fences just like this.